In front of me is Tank 3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Security. Then click on Screen Lock and pick one of those login methods by clicking on the best one: pattern, PIN, or password. Now it's time to create it. Hit Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. When finished, select Confirm. Following that, answer this question by tapping on one of the available options. How do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. Wherever you decided, when you finished, hit Done. So now when I turn off my screen and switch it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!